Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Verizon Fios or Fios. So as you can see right here, Fios Home Internet, they claim that it is fast and reliable. Fios Internet starting at just $35 per month, get a guaranteed starting 3 years. So as you can see, we go over their features here. So 3-year price lock guarantee, new and existing My Home customers can lock their price for at least 3 years. Actually go over and hover over the information right here. No hidden fees, equipment charges, or data caps. Save 40% on top streaming with Verizon perks. Save $15 per month plus perk on us, and a lot more. So they go over, pick the plan you love. So they have a lot of plans here. So for $35 that they're advertising here, you get up to 300 Mbps speeds, rather including at no additional cost. So if you go over double that, or almost double, you get only up to 500, and if you go more, 940, and $94, you get to 2.3 gigabyte speeds. So they actually go over here the many perks that you can get, and the many additional fees, or the many additional plans you can plan subscribe to. So if you actually go ahead and over here to Reddit, this person asked how reliable is Fios. So this person said, "For me, it's been rock solid since I got it years ago, and I had Comcast, which was absurdly unreliable." So just a disclaimer here, there is no perfect internet, since internet is based on your location. So if you live in a remote or high traffic area, so for example, you live in a remote area, your internet will most likely be slow, since you're very far from the towers or the signal coverage that the internet provides. However, same as if you're living in a high traffic area, for example, in the suburbs, if you live in a lot of different homes with a lot of people in, your internet could also be slow, since there are a lot of people using that specific internet or that service provider. But if you're in a sweet spot wherein the internet is very fast, or it depends on the location, it can be very fast for you no matter what provider you use. So that is basically it. So many people right here are saying that it is bad. Many people are saying that it's good, but it ultimately depends on your location. And before you subscribe to this, make sure you do some research on your area before you try subscribing, and try and see which internet provider is the best in your area. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.